Gandhi Sri Lakshmi. So in today's lecture, we will discuss how to apply for Scient recruitment. So Scient is established in 1991. It is a global engineering and technology solutions company. Over 15,000 employees working in this company all over 20 countries in the world. Scient mainly focus includes on aerospace and defense, healthcare, telecommunication, rail transportation, semiconductor, geospatial, industrial, and energy applications. The designation, the designation of the recruitment. The students who selected in this recruitment will be placed as trainee apprentice. Job description. The students who selected in this job recruitment will be trained on concepts of working on different projects, which includes domains, telecommunication, utilities, geospatial, mining and exploration, navigation, etc. The tools and applications that they will be trained on during their work: AutoCAD, ARCGIS, MicroStation, QGIS, Google Earth, etc. Roles and responsibilities of the employees. Understanding structural data such as digital geospatial maps and engineering designs, documents, etc. Understanding unstructured data such as text, logs, spreadsheets, information, PDFs, images, etc. Apply critical thinking and problem solving skills on geospatial maps and engineering designs, analysis and interpretations. Quickly learn and adopt CAD GIS tools. Creates and modifies or update geospatial based on network and engineering designs and relevant data as per client guidelines. Meet the client established project specific production and quality performance. Perform project related work and additional duties as needed. Eligibility and CTC. The eligibility criteria for this job recruitment is student should pass BE, BTech, BCom, BSc, BCA, any discipline. The student should graduate in 2021 with a minimum 50 percentage throughout the academics, and there should be no backlogs to the students. The students who have backlogs need not apply for this job. CTC per annum. 1.5 lakhs per annum will be paid as a salary. For the first 6 months, they will pay 11,000 rupees per month. For the next 6 months, they will pay 12,000 rupees per month. Bonus. Rupees 6,000 after completion of first 6 months and rupees 6,000 after completion of 12 months will be paid as a bonus. So in total for the complete year they will pay 12,000 rupees as a bonus who have completed successfully 1 year of their career through the Scient. Additional information: the potential career growth based on the performance during the 12 months, the job will be converted as a permanent job. Right? Once it is converted as a permanent job, he will become a permanent employee in the company. After gaining experience on various domains, tools, applications, and multiple projects, candidate would have potential to lead the team or play a key role as a subject matter expert on upskilling, reskilling, and technologies which Scient is working on. The candidate will be able to apply for open opportunities to the internal job postings. So that means after completion of 1 year and gaining good experience on the tools they have given training, the candidate can apply to the signed jobs through their internal job openings. Working shifts and mode of work. The candidate need to work in any of the three shifts as per the project requirement. The first shift will be from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Second shift will be from 3 p.m. to 12 p.m. General shift will be from 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Mode of work. On job training at office premises for initial 4 weeks is a must and work from home given on the successful completion of training. So that means for the first 4 weeks he will be trained on the office premises only. After completion of 4 weeks he can work from the home. So post the situations gets better, right? After that means after COVID pandemic, he has to work from the office. Only during the pandemic, the candidate can work from home on the given project. Interview procedure and last day to apply. The interview procedure is on the first round. In the first round, candidate should appear for the online assessment test. Once he clears the online assessment test, he will call for the virtual interview in the second round. Once he clears the second round interview, so he will be called for the training, right, at their training. So at their office they will be trained for 4 weeks. After completion of 4 weeks training, they can work from home. Last date to apply for this job is 28th September 2021, right? How to apply? The application should be submit through the task. Right now I will show you how to apply for this job through the task, right? So open your browser and search in the google.com. In the google.com you can open task. Here you can find Telangana Academy for Skills and Knowledge. There you can see clearly jobs and internships. Click the job and internships. Then you will be taken to the new website. Then click on the Scient. On the Scient page, come down at the end. At the end there is a apply button. Click on the apply button. Then you have to enter the password, your email ID and password through which you have registered in the Telangana Academy for Skills and Knowledge. The students we have registered their details in the task, they only can apply for this job, right? Once if you enter your email ID through which you have registered to task, then click the submit button, right? So once right, if you are a registered student in task, your application will be submitted to the Scient through task. If you are not registered student, then click here to register. So then enter your details, right? Enter all your details. Then right, accept, I agree. Click your agree button. Check the I agree button. Then if you click apply, then you will be applied to this job. So this is how you will apply for this job through the task website, right? So I have explained how to apply for the job. So once application is done, so you will receive a mail from the Scient for taking the online exam. Once you clear the online exam, you will call for the virtual interview through your email ID. So thank you and all the best for your career or for getting the job. Thank you.